Okay, so 1 second students, I am back to the mole concept. The question on the board, if I focus you, the question on the board, if I focus you more, calculate the mass and volume of obtained of carbon dioxide when 90 gram of calcium carbonate is burnt. Calculate the mass and volume obtained of carbon dioxide when 90 gram of calcium carbonate is burnt. Hi. So these are the mole concept का question in terms of chemical equations. These are the mole concept questions in terms of chemical equations. Okay. Calculate the mass and volume obtained of carbon dioxide when 90 gram of calcium carbonate is burnt. So burnt, you have to make the equation. In some cases equation will be given, but in some cases equation will not be given. In that case you have to make. Okay. So if you make the equations, then CaCO3 burnt, na, you get calcium oxide plus you get carbon dioxide. Calcium oxide plus you get carbon dioxide. Now what they have asked, my dear? They have asked you what? Mass and volume of what? So you are only concerned with carbon dioxide, and they have given you mass of calcium carbonate, so you are only concerned with this. तो इसका क्या निकालने बोला है? ये इसका मास भी बोला है, वॉल्यूम भी बोला है to take out. And mass of calcium carbonate is given to you. So what you will do is that you will write the original one according to the reaction. So what is the original mass? If I calculate its molar mass, it will come out to be 100 gram. And if I calculate its molar mass, it will come out to be 44 gram. 1 mole is there, na? 1 mole means what? 44 gram. And they have told to calculate the volume also. So इसका हम original volume भी लिखेगा. 1 mole means 22.4 liter. Clear? Whatever they have told to find out, whatever they have told to find out to me, उसका original one I will write down. That is the concept. उसका original one I will write down and then I will compare. How will you compare? 100 gram of calcium carbonate on burning gives 44 gram of carbon dioxide. Mass जब निकालेगा, जब तू mass निकाले, when you take out the mass, you compare this and this, and when you take out the volume, you compare this and this. So how will you do? 100 gram of calcium carbonate on burning gives 44 gram of carbon dioxide. 100 gram of calcium carbonate on burning gives 44 gram of carbon dioxide. Therefore 1 gram of calcium carbonate gives 44 by 100 gram of carbon dioxide. Therefore 90 gram of calcium carbonate gives 44 by 100 into 90 gram of carbon dioxide. You can calculate the mass from this particular statement. Clear? Similarly, जब तुम वॉल्यूम का लिखेगा, same question you will do with volume. 100 gram of calcium carbonate on burning gives 22.4 liter. Therefore 1 gram of calcium carbonate will give 22.4 divided by 100. Therefore 90 gram will give 22.4 divided by 100. Sorry, 22.4 divided by 100 into 90. ये हो गया ऐसा. Understood? These are the chemical equation का mole concept is this only. You have to write the original one. Now in your exercise, students, I guess question number, in your exercise, in your exercises, at the last question, that is 1.36, if I do exercises last question, MnO2 plus 4HCl gives you MnCl2 plus Cl2 plus 2H2O. ठीक है? They have given you this one, I guess, as per I remember, and they have asked you that calculate the mass of I guess HCl that reacts. Calculate the mass of HCl that reacts with 5 gram of manganese dioxide. I guess this is the question. what mass of HCl reacts with 5 gram of manganese? ऐसा ही कुछ है the question is. So now whose mass they have asked you? HCl. Okay, but still I'll verify once. Just hold for a minute. I'll verify once the question. I guess this is the question, but still I'll verify once. And the question given in your last part, if I verify it from a book, NCERT का board question, if I verify, yeah, it's correct. How many grams of HCl reacts with 5 gram of manganese dioxide? Yeah, this is the question. So they have asked you what? They have asked you the mass of what? HCl, and they have given you the mass of what? Manganese dioxide. So you write the original one first, as I told you. You are concerned with only, if I write the equation, as I said, no, sometimes equation is given, sometimes not given. So in this case, the equation is given. Okay. So I write the original mass of this and I write the original mass of this. So this will be 55 plus 32 and this will be 4 into 1 plus 35.5. So इसका आएगा 87 ग्राम और इसका आएगा 146 ग्राम. Now whose mass you need to find out? You need to find out the mass of HCl. So when you write the statement, HCl should come right hand side. When you write the statement, HCl should come right hand side, which means 87 gram of manganese dioxide reacts with 146 gram of HCl. 87 gram of manganese reacts with 146 gram of HCl. Therefore 1 gram of manganese oxide will react with 146 by 87. Therefore 5 gram of manganese oxide will react with 146 divided by 87 into 5. Same method. The inventory method is the same. So these type of questions may you have to understand that what is the amount of mass. Okay. So like this type, some more questions I will give you. So whenever, remember, जो भी निकालने बोलेगा, whatever they told to find out, first you write the original one. One more I am telling. Suppose this is. Suppose this is. So I ask you, what mass of ammonia is obtained from 100 gram of hydrogen? If I ask you, what mass of ammonia is obtained from 100 gram of hydrogen? So what you will do? So you are asked ammonia and you are given hydrogen. So you are asked ammonia and you are given hydrogen. So ये दोनों इसका नहीं चाहिए. You don't need required. Write the original one. So 3 2 just 6 gram and this is 34 gram. So 6 gram of hydrogen gives 34 gram of ammonia. Therefore 1 gram of hydrogen gives 34 by 6 gram of ammonia. Therefore 100 gram of hydrogen gives 34 by 6 into 100 gram of ammonia. Same thing, same entry method, everything is same. Just जो निकालना है उसका equation में original one you write and then you compare. Everything remains the same. Whatever they told to find out, you write the original one from the equation and then you compare. That's it. So regarding with this, I'll give you some other questions to practice. So you practice these questions and then you get back to me as soon as possible. Thank you very much. Stay safe and the homeworks will be getting in Google Classroom. Thank you.